G'day Spuddies, hope everyone's well. I just wanted to do a series of videos on my new book. Well, not my new book, it's been out for quite a while now, but it's new in terms of being a paper book. Alright, so it's available now. Links below, you can get this now and yeah, you can enjoy it in paper version. But I wanted to do like a little preview series of videos, and what I'm going to do is just take you through each chapter. So you can see that's the book, A Whole Food Potato Based Guide to Eating and Living, Spud Fit. And the first chapter I'm going to take you through is The Doctors. Alright, so I wanted to, big part of this book was I wanted to showcase the many amazing people in the whole food plant-based community and how they like to enjoy their potatoes and also their personal stories. So so one of the chapters is the doctors, and obviously the doctors are sort of the spearheads of this movement. They're the spearheads of making everybody comfortable and making everybody healthy and making everyone understand that eating this way is something that's perfectly healthy and very good for you, and yeah, it's really important. So I'll just take a quick flick through this book with you. So the first page, Dr. McDougall. He was one of the biggest influences in my life and in my decision to do this year of only potatoes. So he's got crock pot pizza potatoes. And next, Dr. Neil Barnard, another huge name, a lot of published science, and head of PCRM, Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine. He's got cheesy cannellini and roasted garlic whipped potatoes. Look at that. Oh, yum. And then we've got Dr. Anthony Hadge, a good friend of mine who I met during that year. Cheesy hummus potato bake. Look at that, yum. Keep going. Dr. Armando Gonzalez. He was a psychologist that worked on The Biggest Loser. And yeah, he's recently changed his own diet in the last couple of years and has done amazing things as well. And he likes to eat loaded carnitas papas. I don't know if I pronounced that properly, but I hope so. Dr. Garth Davis wrote The Proteinaholic. Amazing guy. KISS, Keep It Simple Stupid, loaded sweet potatoes. Very simple meal, a man after my own heart. Dr. Amena Van Dyken. I met Amena and her husband Russell at a conference in LA. They got Russell's turmeric infused super antioxidant cheese sauce. So a nice little cheese sauce to have that you can use in a whole heap of different ways. Dr. Joel Kahn, look at that, delicious, amazing. Loaded sweet potato with greens and sprouts. He's a heart surgeon, and he's obviously recommending this way of eating for heart health. Dr. Laurie Marbus, sweet potato, red lentil stew. Keep going. Dr. Luke Wilson from NZ, simple pumpkin sweet potato soup. Dr. Michael Clapper, Avo Spud, delicious, look at that picture. Yum. What a great guy, Dr. Michael Clapper. They're all great people. Dr. Monica Agarwal, I met her at a conference as well, heard her speak. Sweet potato hummus, amazing person and delicious recipe, obviously. Dr. Renee Thomas, a fellow Melburnian, sweet potato chocolate cake. Who would have thought you could make cake out of sweet potato? Amazing. Lucy Stegley from Doctors for Nutrition. This is a new not-for-profit group in Australia. Chili potato mash with mushroom macadamia gravy. Yum. And keep going. Dr. Michael Greger, nutritionfacts.org. He's got stuffed sweet potatoes with balsamic date glaze. Alright, so last one, Simple Spuds on the Go. That's from my own doctor, Dr. Malcolm Mackay. And yeah, he was the guy that supervised me over my year of potatoes. So yeah, he eats very simply, and yeah, he likes to take potatoes with him when he's out and about. So, and he also wrote a nice big section here on exactly what happened with my own personal health and his experience supervising me over that year. So that was quite nice to read that amazing bit of writing. So there you go. that's the doctor's chapter. I'll post more videos in the next few days. Click below to get the book, and my other videos I'll cover all the other chapters as we go along. But yeah, click below to get the book. 20% off if you order in the next few days. Not exactly sure how long we're gonna let that discount go, but it's there for now. So code's below, Spud Book. Go to the website, you get 20% off the cost of the book, and yeah, share this far and wide. Help me out, everyone. Thanks for your support. Spud Fit, a whole food potato-based guide to eating and living. Thanks, everyone. Spud up.